Hello, teacher. I will talk about something that happened to me. Well, when I was 17, my friend and I, we were in the last year of high school, and we were very worried about passing to year with the best grade. So in this moment, Ouija was the most popular in the young, and my classmate in free time played it. But our Ouija wasn't so scared. It was calm because they played it with pens. One day, our math teacher had a meeting and we didn't have class. And so they had to make group of four to play. I didn't believe much in that, but I like to annoy them. I like to supervise the group. They asked if it was a man or woman. Was a spirit good or bad, and other things. On the first group, the spirit has to answer everything. I say this group is okay. And when I went to the other group, I told them how they are. And they say wrong because it wasn't any it wasn't answered then. In this moment, I say sometime back, and it was like a horror movie because the pens fly out, the door closing, and everyone start screaming. Then our relation teacher came in and made us pray because a classmate was trembling and foaming at her mouth. And from that day, we all went to Mass every day for a month until she was feel better. That time I felt very afraid. Thank you, teacher.